Hi, I'm Lynne with softsquares. Today I got 2 boxes in the mail from RebsFabStash, and I'm going to open up the first box in this video. Thanks for joining me today. RebsFabStash is a monthly subscription for quilters. I get their boxes complimentary from them so I can do these reviews and share them with you. So if you like what you see, use my link below and go subscribe. This is a fun box. They were having some issues and they didn't get September's box out, and they just sent me 2. So I have September and October to open. I'm going to only open September in this video, and I'll have a separate video for October. So the cool thing is I have a lot to open today, and this quilt that's on my back wall, I'm pretty sure has pieces to it in here. So let's see what's in there. So first thing is that there's an invoice in the box and there's a little note, so I'm going to read it to you. It says, "So sorry we missed your stash box last month. We've had some employee turnover and it was missed. So we are sending you both September and October. Also, we start a new block of the month next month. Get excited. Hope you're doing well." So that is telling me that the October box is going to start a new project. So let's wrap this one up first. All right, the September box. I'm so excited. I really missed not getting this, and they just had some issues. All right, so let's get in there. Always has tissue and wrapped so pretty. Which I'm tearing. And here's our box. Let's see, first thing is a thing that tells us about it. This is the September 2023 box, and it says the sashing for the block of the month. I was hoping that would be in here, and some other things. Let's see. So this is what the block is supposed to look, or the quilt is going to look like when we're done. So what we're getting today is the sashing part. We'll talk more about that. And that will be a whole different video on putting that together and completing this. So watch for that one too. Okay, now what fell out of that little brochure pamphlet thing was this. This is a recipe. You get a recipe each month, and this is mini pumpkin loaf. Welcome fall with cinnamon and spice. A pumpkin a day keeps the goblins away. There's a lot of ingredients. Probably because you're actually mixing all the spices. Very, very fun. And they always give us some special item in the box that is exclusive swag that has their name on it. And this month we have this RebsFabStash on a cozy. So it's like a can cozy. Insulated. All right, and then right on top, it has our fat quarter. Each month we get a unique fat quarter. I believe they're different for everybody. This one I see little cups. No, they're mushrooms. How cute. It's not a mushroom. It's not a cup. I thought it was a cup. You know what it is? It's a little... It's a bug. Tell me what it is. Cute. Okay, seriously, what is it? A snail, maybe? Do you see it? Okay, enough of my entertainment with that one. So, fat quarter. And now we're on to our projects. So we always get 3 projects, and they send you with instructions and fabric, and these are the kits that are in here. Right on the top it says the block of the month. It is the sashing. So we're making the little pieces that go between the cornerstones, and it's basically a dash sashing. See what that looks like? That's got 2 pieces on there, but they sent us the background fabric and then little dots fabric, or yeah, they're dots, dot, dot, dash, anyway, to finish this. There's a lot of fabric here, but there's also a lot to do with this, so, but I'm very excited. So what does this say? It says it includes these, the green in the background, follow instructions on the pattern to make 24. So we got our pattern in the first block that came out with this, which I believe, I want to say was in May, going off the top of my head. Refer back to your pattern that was sent out with the first block of this series. And then it tells you how many to cut, because the pattern is actually bigger than what we're making, so they've given us the right measurements. Okay, so, got my fan blowing. Feels good, but it's getting in my way. All right, so now I'm going to go back to this because it tells us in here, it tells us in here a little more about it. So, block of the month sashing. This month, create the sashing pieces for the Wildflower quilt. All right, and that's it. Now we're moving on to the Star Table Runner. Features So Much Fun and Forest Friends. That's the fabric line. And we get instructions and the fabric that you need for it. And first, let's look at it a little closer. So we have this cute little scissor print. And then this little guy. Do I need to open it? There. Let's go back to this one. Alright, so we have a fair amount, probably a half a yard or so. So this is what it's going to look like. And it gives us our instructions on how to make it. That's what this says. It says, search for the stars with this exclusive RebsFabStash creation. So it's their pattern. Very unique and fun and cute. So that is a project for another day. Okay, let's put that. The last thing we have in here is Villa Rose Pattern Holder. And that's what this looks like. It says, stay organized and keep all your Villa Rosa patterns together. Now, Villa Rosa are those little patterns that are on a card. And so the pattern itself is on a card. So it's just like all the others. You've probably seen these. So it's just real simple, tiny print, but it's really simple, easy little patterns. And this is a pattern to make a little case, 2-pocket pattern card holder. And it has fabric. So the first one is a tomato pincushion with some pins in there in black and white, which looks like the fabric they're using for the inside and the closure, as well as this fabric, which is the outside. Interesting combination, but kind of cool at the same time. So here we are with the two of them next to each other. And again, here's their picture of it completed. Glare, sorry. Glare, oh my goodness. Alright, so what else does it say about this? Features Old Maid and Snowed In. So this is Snowed In and this one is from Old Maid. And then it says you get a notion, and this month the notion is actually this pattern that is included in this last one, because it's not a paper pattern, it's an actual thing. You know what I'm saying. But the cool thing is, it also has their name on the bottom So, okay, and it says recipe card, the swag, unique fat quarter, no theme, just your favorite prints. They also have video tutorials. We have tutorials on all of our Wildflower blocks of the month, along with the stash box projects with the QR code. You can find all the fabrics used in these projects on their ideas page, and celebrate our anniversary with us. Visit our YouTube channel to learn more. And then next month the theme is Autumn Love, which I'm going to open here in just a minute. So we have 3 projects. We have a fat quarter, we have a large, small, and large project and a small project, and then we also have the finished block of the month for this. And I missed this. This is a Velcro piece, front and back of the Velcro for our little holder. So it comes with everything you need. Pattern, swag, stuff. Let me know what you think about this. Again, if you like this or want more, definitely check out their boxes. They are a good deal, and they're really good at sending them out unless they have a problem. So anyway, that link for that is below, and stick around. There will be another video for opening of box for October. Thanks, and have a great day.